Let me tell you about the single wash packages at Vineyard Car Wash in Morgan Hill, CA. First up, the Platinum package for just $16. It includes Rain-X Protectant, Clear Coat, Triple Polish, and more. Next, we have the Gold package at $13, which offers pre-soaks, wheel cleaner, and a spot-free rinse. And if you're in a hurry, the Express package is only $9 with pre-soaks and a drying agent. Just a heads up, the staff can be busy upselling, and sometimes the vacuums or drying might be spotty. But honestly, with great pricing and those vacuum perks, Vineyard Car Wash is worth a shot. If cleanliness and convenience matter to you, this is the place to be.